Hi. Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene and I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. I love to share my subscription boxes and shopping hauls and all those good things. Today I have a shopping haul and it is from Ipsy. So this is of course all makeup and skincare items that I ordered. I ordered a lot of these are add-ons, and then I had another order I made from like a drop shop or something. So I'm just adding them all together. And they also had my glam bag in here for the month of September. So that will be in another video. But let's get to this. I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the like button, subscribe if you wish, and leave a comment. And I love the support and I love doing what I do. So thank you for that. I'm gonna dump everything. Okay. I think maybe I'll go with some of the bigger items first. And the first thing I'm going to show is these brushes. Now these were in the boxycharm. A lot of people got them. It's face brush set. They had a stronger smell when I first pulled them out, but a day later they're not so bad. So this is just, you've got a bronzer, highlighter, and a blush brush. So you can always use good sets of face brushes. We'll see how great this one is. I passed it over in the choices, and then when I saw it for sale in the shop, I went ahead and picked it up. So the next thing I did the same thing with. I passed this over. This was in the Beauty Boost, and this is a $96. Let me see. I think. Okay, the brushes are Jasmine Beauty, and they're valued at $54 for the 3-count brush set. Now, the next thing was also in my Beauty Boost, but I wasn't sure. I was iffy about it, and I kind of wanted it. It's the Verso Dark Spot Fix. This is a $96 product, and it's supposed to help with dark spots. And I have some dark spots on my arms and my legs that I want to get rid of, and I was wondering if it would work on that. So we'll see. But anyway, I passed it over and got something else. It was even more expensive on my Boost item for my box. Then I went to the shop, and they were selling these in the shop. It was still, I don't know if I paid $18 or $24 for it. It's a $95 product. I said that it's a serum. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see if it helps with my dark spots. I am going to try to use it and see. Like I said, it's kind of a high-end product, so hopefully it'll work the way I want it to. So that was the next item I got. Something I was really excited about that I got in the shop, and I don't know, they don't normally have stuff like this, and it is, let's see, this is from Laneige, and it's a kit. It has 5 items in it, 5 beauty items, and I think I got it for $12, and I love it. It's great for travel. So it has, let's see what it has in it. It has all your besties in one set, from cleansing to masking. These mini faves have your routine covered from day to night. It includes the lip sleeping mask that's oh so famous from Laneige. There's that. It has a water sleeping mask, and that's this one. And then it has a water bank hyaluronic serum. I've seen this. I know I think Fab Fit Fun had this at one time. It's just a cream you can use day and night, but it's fun. And it has a cleanser and a cream moisturizer. So really, if I travel, I could just take these and be okay for my time with just this. So it has the 5 items. I'm excited about this. And I was happy. I thought the price was real good for what you get. So there's that set. And that came in such a cute little box. Okay, so that was the second thing I got, or third thing I think that I picked up. And now we're going to get to some of the smaller items. I did get some hair items, and well, let me finish what I got in add-ons, because those are all add-ons. And from Perlice Beauty, I got, this is a Halo Glow BB Cream highlighter in light gold. So it's a highlighter, BB cream highlighter from Tarte Makeup. And I wanted to try their foundation. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but it's a real small sample. But I'm going to do a try on of all Tarte makeup. So that's coming up. So anyway, that was that. And then also from Perlice Beauty, I got Blush Glow BB Cheek Color in Sweet Rose. And I happened to get 2 by accident. I guess I just ended up putting it in my cart twice. So I'm going to try a little dot. You see that little dot right here? We'll rub it in and see what we got. I kind of put a lot, so it's probably going to be pretty powerful at first. Put too much on, but anyway, I like it. I like the feel of it. I like the color. Could mess up my makeup here pretty good, right? Anyway, so there's that. From Ciate London, I got this Watermelon Burst Hydrating Lip Oil. I love this stuff. I've used it before, and the watermelon is really good, and it's just a fun lip oil. It's a great little size to throw in your purse, and you have that. So there's that thing. Then they just threw in, I don't know if it's like because I bought as much as I did, but they threw in a glass nail file. Comes in a case. It's also a great thing for your purse. I don't know if you've ever used glass nail file, but I really like the way they work really well. And they're pretty. So anyway, so there's that. Let's see. It's kind of sharp. So like Jolene did it in her studio with a glass nail file. There you go. There's your clue. Okay, I'm really silly. Okay, it's kind of late. I don't normally film late. And because I've already had to film this once before, I'm a little bit loony. It's better than being angry though, right? We'll just be a little bit silly. So, okay, so next I have 3 more things from Perlice Beauty. They were offering a lot of these, and some of these were like $3 items or 2 for $6 or whatever. So this one is a BB concealer. I've already used a Perlice concealer before and really liked it, so I picked that up. And I have a, this one is a perfect, let's see what it's called. It's a Radiant Vibe Illuminating BB Cream. So there's that. And okay, the next thing I have is another BB, but this is a base primer. So I like primers. This has a little bit of color to it. I think I'm gonna like it. So I think it's gonna be similar to my favorite Professional from Benefit. So I like that. And the next thing I picked up is just a Set Me Up setting powder. I'm not positive why I picked this up. It must have been pretty cheap. I don't know, because I don't usually get setting powders, but seems like a decent one. So anyway, there's that. The last items I have here are hair products, and these are from some of my favorite hair brands. There's a lot of good hair products. They're starting to share more hair products in some of these subscriptions, and I like it because my hair needs lots of help losing hair right now. Anyway, I just need things to help strengthen my hair. So I've got an Amica. This is a multitask repair treatment. Decent little sample size. So there's that one. And this is also from Amica. They called it the Happy Hair Duo. This one is, I don't know if I can see it. I might have to. This one is called Plenish Treatment Mask. So this is a hair mask. So I'll use it, and I could even travel with it because it's so small. And then for Briogeo, I have two, and I like these sizes. I think these are still deluxe samples, but they're they're 2 fluid ounces each, so they're still pretty decent size. This came in a pair, and this is the Don't Despair Repair cream right here, and this one is a superfood. This one has avocado and kiwi. It's a moisture hair mask. So anyway, those two. So there's my 4 hair products like that. I got all these sample size, most of them Perlice. BB cream, blush, highlighter, and lip treatment, concealer, anyway, all those. Setting powder, a set of face brushes, and the Verso Dark Spot Corrector. So we'll see if this works. It's a bougie product. I hope it is. I would never pay $95 for it, and it was probably hard for me to spend what I did on it as it was, but I just want to try it out and see if it works. So there's that. So that's it for my Ipsy add-ons and stuff from the Ipsy shop. Was there anything here that stood out to you that you really liked? Let me know in the comments. I would love if you'd support my channel, hit the like button, subscribe, do all those things. I love doing what I do, and I'm thankful for you. So thank you for being here, and we will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.